Hello fellas, today we are going to react to a very much awaited trailer, that is teaser actually, from the movie that is Master, starring Thalapathy Vijay, Anirudh Ravichandra, and it is directed by Lokesh Kanagraj. So we have done the reaction to Vikram, which has also been directed by Lokesh Kanagraj, and we are going to react to this particular trailer. But before starting the video, I'd like to request you to please hit the message also by liking, so never miss an update from me. Listen to Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and description below. If you want to comment or something, suggest something, give me feedback or follow me, I would love it from you guys too. So without further ado, let's start.
எனக்கு தெரியும் சார். JD is the culprit. ஒரு வார்த்தைக்கு என்ன இவ்வளவு தைரியம் வந்துச்சு? ஏன்டா ஒரு போது
Wow, 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 wow.
இவ்வளோ பிரச்சனை பண்ற பையனா பேசாம டிஸ்மிஸ் பண்ணிடலாம்ல. JD ஸ்டூடெண்ட் மார்க் ஆஃப்
Oh, whoa. I'm not able to see his face, man. Come on. Ah, yes, here it is. Yes. Wow. And the style and everything. Oh, ooh. Huh? What is this? What time party?
அந்த வார்த்தை ஒரு மாதிரி மண்ணில் ஒழிக்கிறதா
Wow. Yes. Commander Thalapathy, right? Whoa. Nice. Nasty but nice. Finally, they are in one-on-one. Finally. Wow. Well, this was actually been a lot awaited trailer, I would say, because I was actually trying to track this particular teaser about when it's going to get released and this and everything. And really thanks to Phenomenal Master on my Instagram handle, which he messaged me that this is particular teaser which was a lot awaited. So I was actually we both were actually tracking this. Thank you so much for this, giving me this particular like instance that where when we should do that thing. A lot of things going on. I mean, from the start till the end, we are not able to see his face, and after that, when he comes with the bang. He's actually trying to portray that he's a student in this particular teaser, and if I'm not mistaken, he's just trying to figure out how things are going to be manipulated, and so that he can actually be the Thalapathy or command or something like that for the people. As usual, he does things for the people. We all know that. And in this, I guess it is the students' union or something which is not getting a proper treatment or something with particular background. And if I'm not mistaken, the person who is playing the villain, that is, if I'm not mistaken, it is Anirudh Ravichandra. He is actually trying to overshadow, overpower everything, and with Thalapathy Vijay is trying to make things right about this. This might be something which was really necessary and really important from the point of view of making this particular whole teaser, knowing it that what actually things is actually going on. So this might be actually college. He might be one of the students who might be having a lot of power, and people might be supporting him. And this was not been really much appreciated by many of the people which is outside of the like college or something like that, or the main power, the trustee something. So he might be the person who might be acting as the middleman or something like that, and making the name Master of this particular movie. That might be the thing which he might be able to master this a title which he is actually a student but a master of the people, so that he can help all of them, all the people who are actually facing crisis or something like that. So this might be the thing, if I'm not mistaken. I can even let's check it out. I mean, what actually Wikipedia or the Google has to say about this. If I'm not mistaken, if it is like what like I'm saying it correctly or not. But sorry, I'm not able to get the main thing about what actually this particular movie is saying. So we just have to assume things till the main trailer drops out. So many action scenes are there, that is also good, that is absolutely fantastic, because if you see the action scenes needs to be done if it is Thalapathy Vijay, because we want him to do more and more action scenes. He does that with really style, sleeky smoothness, and also, you know, like if you see, like he's like taking the goggles off and on, you know, from time to time, and he is actually you know, making all the styles and everything while walking. As I already tell you, in Messel or visual or something like that, he also tries to, you know, look forward, make the style and things go so good that you really want that particular frame to, like, you know, do it on a rewind basis. So this was something which was really important from the point of view of not this particular trailer. One thing which I'm not like, why is his hair all messy? I mean, is it like with reference to the movie or something like that, or it is like, you know, it's just a look which he actually tries to, you know, imbibe in this particular trailer or in this particular movie. So we have to, you know, particularly know when the trailer will come out, so we will get actually the idea why is this thing. If I have said this is that thing which is going to be the main stanza of the movie, or it is something else. So I'm actually really waiting for something to, you know, drop by, some great news about this thing. If you have any idea, if you have, like, if you my subscriber, if you're not, do subscribe to my channel, so that and you can tell me about what actually it's all about, because I'm new to it and new to this, all these things, and I'm, you know, giving honest reactions because I have no idea about all this, you know, background story or something like that. So this was it. This was the reaction. This was the review. I hope you liked the same point of time. I would like to request you to please give a big thumbs up this particular video, so that I know that you like my reaction. I'll be spending motivated to do more reactions for you guys. If you are new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, so that you'll be able to, like, get all my latest updates and all the things, all the videos which I post from Monday to Sunday, actually each and every day, not a one day I have missed. And we have a timetable which you'll be getting it in the last part of the video. So that's all I want to say, and thank you for being with me. Thank you for being with me too for this particular reaction. It really means a lot. So we also have a timetable Monday to Sunday, which I usually try to follow as much as possible until and unless new trailer comes out or something. It is like the urgency of the situation as per the needs and wants of that particular period of time. That is Monday and Thursday it is a song reaction. Tuesday and Friday it's a comedy routine or stand-up comedy or something like that, or any funny videos which needed to be reacted on. Wednesday and Saturday it will be like action scene or like a particular scene from a particular movie, irrespective of the action or something, whatever it is, like it will be a particular scene. And on Sundays and Saturday, Sundays actually 2 days will be like, you know, the different, you know, complex and mix up. That it might be trailer reaction or the scene reaction or anything, or something which is like out of the box, anything I would totally react to. And Sunday, if it is possible, if I get any contributor or something like that from out of the channel or something, so I'll be even calling people who are cooking actually, because basically I also have a cooking channel, that is Bawarchi. Will be getting at the end of the video, so please do subscribe to the channel, that channel too. So basically I have 3 channels, this particular channel, K for Kavit, and also Bawarchi. So please do subscribe to all the 3 channels. You'll be able to connect with me over there. And also we have our Instagram and Twitter, as I already told you. You can even like connect with me over there too. So Instagram, Facebook and Twitter over there in the link below. So just click on it and follow me over there. So the next reaction, next input, I would request you to stay connected.